Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from your hot wallet to your bank account in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for transactions. A hot wallet, by the way, is an online wallet that's easy to access but comes with some security risks, so we'll cover how to stay safe throughout this process. First things first, make sure your hot wallet is set up and funded with USDT. Popular options include apps like Trust Wallet or exchanges like Binance. Start by logging into your wallet and navigating to the withdrawal or transfer section. It's crucial to double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any hacks. Always use two-factor authentication. Next, select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You'll need to convert your USDT to fiat currency, like USD, through your exchange or wallet's built-in tools. Look for the Withdraw to Bank or Fiat Withdrawal option. Enter your bank account details carefully. Double-check the account number, routing number, and any required verification codes to prevent errors. Once everything's entered, review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, expect potential updates to regulations, so fees might vary between 1 to 5% depending on your provider. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Processing times can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, so be patient. Finally, once the funds hit your bank, celebrate your success. But remember, crypto is volatile, and withdrawing involves risks like market fluctuations or security breaches. Always keep your private keys safe and stay updated with the latest 2025 guidelines from reputable sources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.